Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the repair of your White Dolphin Conga 1390 brush motor, you'll need a few essential tools. First, gather a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of pliers. Ensure you have a clean workspace, preferably a table or bench that can accommodate the size of the device. Now, let's start by unplugging the device. Safety is paramount. Make sure it's completely disconnected from any power source. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back cover of the motor. There are typically 6 screws to remove. Keep these screws organized. A magnetic tray works well for this purpose. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover using the flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to damage any clips as you do this. With the cover removed, you'll notice the internal components. Take a moment to inspect for any visible damage or debris. For cleaning, use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or dirt from the motor and surrounding areas. It's crucial to have a clean environment for the motor to function optimally. If you find that the motor is still not functioning after cleaning, it may be time to delve deeper. Next, carefully disconnect the motor wires. This step requires caution. Ensure you note where each wire connects. A smartphone camera can help you take reference pictures. After disconnecting the wires, remove the screws securing the motor in place. Typically, there are 4 screws that hold the motor firmly. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing these steps, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. Our service makes it easy without any hassle, no calls, no travel required. With the motor removed, examine it for signs of wear or damage. If you notice any burnt areas or missing parts, it might be time for a replacement. Replacements can often be sourced online or from local suppliers. While you're at it, inspect the brushes within the motor. These are small components that can wear out over time. Replacing them can rejuvenate motor performance. Simply pull them out with pliers and replace them with new ones. Ensure they fit snugly in place. Once all repairs or replacements are made, it's time to reassemble. Start by securing the motor back in its original position with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect all the wires carefully, ensuring each one is in its correct position. If necessary, refer back to the pictures you took for guidance. Before sealing the back cover, perform a quick test to ensure everything is functioning well. Plug the device back in and check if the motor operates correctly. If all is good, proceed to replace the back cover and secure it with the screws. Finally, if you need a professional diagnosis without obligation, we provide that service as well. Once everything is back together, you can either keep the device or send it to us for an expert check. Remember to get a quote before any repair work is done to ensure you're informed about all costs. And there you have it. With the proper tools and steps, you can successfully repair your White Dolphin Conga 1390 brush motor. Enjoy your clean and efficient device once again. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.